Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is video number 23 of our collection and of our Bengal Fest. We are showing a beautiful collection of Bengali weaves. We have a huge variety of saris. I hope you've seen all the videos from the beginning. If you have not, please go back to Facebook, Instagram or YouTube and make sure you watch all our videos. If you are in a rush, just visit our website and check out the collection called Bengal Fest 2026. You will get to see all the saris, but videos will give you a better idea of each and every sari. Now we are at our again with our Tussar Jamdanis, but just look at these weaves, beautifully woven saris, very pretty weaving, pretty borders, pretty butta. So yes, this is the first one, a very pretty tussar color with black and yellow in its weave. This is the very intricately woven pallu, and let me just tell you the price. The price of these saris is 11,500. I hope you have seen the sari nicely. Just comment Bengal Fest on Instagram to get the independent product links. And if you are watching on Facebook or YouTube, just check out the caption or the description. You will get all individual links that we are showing in this particular video. Now this is the next one. A very beautiful combination. It is a nice emerald, deep emerald green with pink and yellow in its weaving. Very pretty sari. This is the pallu. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a nice light pink. I wouldn't call this light. This is a soft pink color. It's very beautiful. It has this nice blue and yellow in its weaving. The borders will look very nice when pleated together as well. This is how the borders will look together. And this is the gorgeous pallu. Let's move to the next one. The next one might be my favorite in this set. It's a beautiful yellow with black and green in its weaving. Just look at this sari. It's a absolutely eye-catching design, combination and weave. So yes, this is it. Very beautiful. So if it was me, I might wear a nice a black, yellow, orange, green kind of ikat blouse with this. This will look very nice. So any multicolored blouse will also look nice with this. Or I can just wear a black crop top or a sleeveless blouse with this. It will look very pretty. Let's move to the last sari of this video. The last one is this beautiful brown. It's a different design. Just look at the border pattern. It's a different border pattern. It has zari weaving in its border. A very beautiful fabric. This is a linen tussar, if you ask me. It's a different fabric. Just look at this sari. The pallu of this sari is in muslin. A very beautiful muslin pallu. So this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed watching our entire tussar collection. It was very pleasant and soothing for me to even select these saris for you all and bring them forth. So I hope it is as pleasant for you all to view the entire collection. If you want to shop, please go to our website. All the inventory is added to our website. You can just go directly and buy your favorite sari, place your orders, or all these saris are right here in stock. They will be dispatched at the earliest. There is no pre-ordering, there is no processing time that is involved. So stay tuned for more. We're still not done with our fest. Make sure you watch all the videos from start to end.